home today. He is doing very well selling real estate in Central.
Oh, good for him.
Tradition calls for us to select a temporary chairman until you are well, Uncle. A man who would continue as you would wish. If they were brazen enough to attack a wedding, we have to assume 18K will be coming after us.
I know that you are right. Wei, my boy,
Uncle, you're okay.
thanks to you. Sister Jiang told me about the troubles between you and Big Smile Lee here. You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
Yes, of course, Uncle Po.
Good. Pak Mak, see to it that Wei is formally initiated. He's been a loyal foot soldier to the Sun Han Yi. It's time to make him a red pole.
Your initiation is young Leon. He has been selling to schoolgirls and was ordered to stop. He switched to the 18K instead. Make an example of him.
Thank you. I will.
If any of your people have not been properly initiated, bring them with you. Uncle, we still need to decide who will lead us.
What about you, Pak Mak? You are my greatest friend. You know my wishes better than anyone. Would you not take my place?
No, Uncle. I am your advisor. I cannot lead in your place.
So, if not you, who then?
Chu Chin Sao. He is your true nephew, your blood, Legacy Doyan. Who better to preserve your wishes and keep the family together?
Tu Qian, can you handle this responsibility? Temporary chairman?
Yes, Uncle. I am ready and grateful for the opportunity.
Pak Mak, see that it is done.
Jackie, this way. Where are you?
Getting a massage, man. Let me tell you, the girls here are...
Listen, I got some news. I'm on my way over. We got an errand to run. See you in a few minutes. Jackie, you're gonna love this.
What's going on, Wei?
Well, you're about to become a full member of the Sun On Yi.
Fuck me! Are you sure?
100%.
Yeah, baby! I fucking did it, yeah! Oh, don't worry about it, my man. It'll be your turn soon.
Jackie, they're making me a red pole.
What? Holy shit, Wei! Holy fucking shit!
Well, Jackie, the dream finally comes true.
No shit! Hey, Wei, don't think I don't appreciate it. I know it wouldn't have been possible without you.
No problem, Jackie.
Man, you want to get a massage before we go? My treat. Come on, man. Best way to celebrate. You won't believe what these girls can do.
Then he said that if I stuff my panties in his mouth, he pay me extra.
So what did you do?
I put them in there, lor. He loved it. I had to shower twice afterwards.
So what's the problem?
Every time he asked me for something, I push the price up. Once he had my nasty little undies in there, he couldn't talk.
Hey, sexy. Want
So
to
he
party?
couldn't order more?
All right.
Exactly.
Let's see what we
I
can
just
do,
found him
hey,
out
ya?
for another half hour. I really made some money.
Is he coming back next week?
I'm going to.
So what's this errand?
It's part of our initiation. You know this guy?
Shit! Youngest one of us, Wei. Came up in all prosperity just like you and me.
Well, he's been dealing to kids. They ordered him to stop a couple of times.
Okay. They tell you much about the ceremony?
Just that we're in it.
Brothers after that. Man, Sun On Yi brothers.
Yeah.
Hey, you what? I went out with Yume the other day.
Finally asked her out, huh? So how'd it go?
Man, I made her laugh so hard. I read that somewhere, that if you make a girl laugh, she'll fall in love with you.
I think if you're funny, she'll fall for you.
Same thing, isn't it?
Danny, little Gina will do anything for you.
Hey, where's Young?
佢搞事啊！仆街！係時候做嘢啦！劈柒佢啊！打佢啦！你夠衝啦！望乜嘢啊？劈柒佢啊！屌啊！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？屌！冚家鏟你老味！屌你！ 你個柒頭！哇！屌啊！
Hey, we need to talk to you.
屌你啊！
Uncle Po sent us.
我冇嘢搞啊！做㗎！我
好意思啊，唔好意思啊。我唔會做嘅，我下次唔做嘅。
Jackie, let's go. Jackie, let's go. Come on. Let's move. You okay?
I don't know, man. Shit, Wei, I've never done that before.
I know.
Was it? I don't know. My hands are shaking, man.
Look, take a breath, Jackie. Breathe, man.
Did you see the look in the guy's eyes? I didn't expect it to be like that. I always thought about how it looked. I didn't know how it made me feel, you know? I can feel it in my stomach. Shit, Wei.
Calm down. Look, it'll wear off, okay?
Is it done?
It's done.
Good. Brothers, from today forward, your lives will be forever changed. Because today you are my brothers. We're bound to each other by blood, sworn to protect each other to the death if necessary. With our brotherhood comes duty. You will obey our leader in all things, and you will show your brothers respect always. With our brotherhood comes power. The Sun On Yi does not die. The Sun On Yi does not forget. It rewards its sons with wealth, status, and honor. It protects their businesses and their families. It cares for their children as if they were their own. Our brotherhood pays our enemies with pain, suffering, and death. And none suffers more than a traitor. Betray your brothers, and you will die 1,000 times over, slowly, in the dark. The Sun On Yi and the gods themselves will burn your soul from your body and crush the ashes with our heels. There are 32 oaths. With them, you are bound together. With them, you become Sun On Yi. Are you ready to begin? I read your report.
I'm flattered. Was it a slow day or something?
Pendrew's very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sort of impressed too. He wants you to dig around, see what you can find on Sunny Wo. Says it's a priority.
I read about him. I mean, he reps entertainers, dabbles in porn with allegedly some human trafficking mixed in. Well, why go after him? He's not Sun On Yi.
To bring down the Sun On Yi, we have to take down the people who support them, cut off their revenue sources, dismantle the network. This is how we hit him where it hurts. Sunny's revenue stream is massive, and a lot of it flows to Sun On Yi.
I'll see what I can do, Raymond.
By the way, you hear anything about Dog Eyes? He seems to have disappeared.
Haven't heard a thing.
Oh, before I forget, Jackie Ma, we're taking him in.
Jackie?
From what I read in your reports, he'll be a good source of info, and it won't be hard to make him talk. We'll need you to set him up for
No,
us.
that makes no sense. He's nobody.
He's a criminal, Wei. You're a cop. I hate to be a broken record, but it sounds like you're getting attached.
I'm not getting attached. I'm not a fucking idiot, okay? He's part of my cover. He brought me in. He's the one who vouched for me.
And now you're so high up, you don't need him. He's outlived his usefulness, so we're bringing him in.
I'm taking this up with Pendrew.
This came from Pendrew.
Taking him in accomplishes nothing, and it makes my job harder. I'm not doing it.
You don't have a choice, all right? It's a direct order.
Yeah? Direct order? Well, that's an order you can shove directly up your ass, Raymond.
We want the Red Bulls, the lieutenants like Winston.
Open your eyes, Raymond. I am Winston now.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them.
Jackie, how's it going?
Wait, man, good thing you called, man.
Steady now.
I got something, man. This could be big for us.
You still got that plan you were talking about?
Yeah. You in? We could go tonight. Drop by my place and I'll tell you all about it. Oh, bring a car, okay? Mine's in the shop. What? Can I help you? Why? Don't go too crazy on this one, Wei.
Hey, Jackie.
Let's head to Kennedy Town. I'll explain on the way.
So what's the plan?
We're going down to the shipyard. 18K are bringing in a big shipment of jewelry. Goods from a big heist they pulled in the States. I guess they'll figure it'll be easier to sell here. I hear it's good stuff. Diamonds, rubies. Could be a good payday.
Yeah, could be.
Oh, shit! Whoa! I haven't been sleeping too well. That's just that thing. Ah! Every time I close my eyes, I see that guy. Not that he didn't deserve it, I guess. It's just... Man, I don't know. Sometimes I wake up and I have this bad feeling. I've never had... Just wait till it gets dark. Here, put this on. Yeah. Hey, wait. You ever think about what you're going to do after this?
After what?
All this. I mean, not exactly cut out for anything else, right?
Guess not. You always have options, Jackie.
You think so? I don't know, Wei. I don't know if that's true. The jewels are in the van over there by the container.
What if it's locked?
No problem. There are heavy-duty tools in the shed just over there. You get the tools, I'll scout the containers. Meet me there when you have something to cut the lock.
So then she says to me, I don't do that on the first date. What did you say? I said, honey, nobody does it on the first date. Hey, what are you doing?
Garbage collection.
Oh, sorry, brother. Didn't recognize you.
Hey, who are you? Hey, keep your voice down. I'm sneaking into that warehouse up there and you're making way too much noise. If you don't shut the hell up, I'll have to slit your fucking throat.
Oh, sorry. You won't hear me again.
The jewels are in the van over there by the container.
Okay, this thing should get through it. Is anyone around? Hey!
Trash him, Way! Yeah, fuckers!
Shit, Jackie, you sure they're here?
Yes, trust me, okay? What the? Way! Hey, go get them, Way! Fuck them!
Damn it.
Hey, try the next one, man. Great work, man. We got him, Van Pokai. Wait, hold on. What the? You shit! Fuck! Help me, Way!
Come on! Eat some asphalt, asshole. Jackie! Jackie!
How you like that, huh? Cocksucker!
Let's go fence this stuff. It's the usual place. Fat Wallet Lamb Shop. Let's go. I thought that was it for me.
I wouldn't leave you, Jackie.
I know. Just damn way.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
Hey, thanks, Way. Wouldn't be here without you, man. You know it. I'll always appreciate it.
I should be doing a better job getting you back.
It's not your fault, Way. You know, thinking about a lot of things. Rethinking them, maybe. But not our friendship. Bad things that have happened. They're my responsibility. I know that.
Shit.
It's okay, Way. You don't gotta say anything. Friends, man. Friends. Whoa! Let's do it. Follow me.
Don't move! You're under arrest!
Where are the others?
Just me, boys. Just me.
Andrew, you piece of shit.
Fun save, poke guy.